Hello everybody, here I am back again. Okay, so that was just a call I had to take. I'm so sorry, and I had to, so these will be going up at the same time anyway, one after the other, and there won't be no hassle with that. So we're going to come back up through the back of there. No, I'm not. I want to go down the back, don't I? I need to be in the back of it so I can, I couldn't let that call go past, I'm sorry, and I can't edit this, so now I'm going to do the other one. Do some more little dangly bits. Now, we need an orange one. I'm going to put this up because I've actually made videos lately and I haven't been putting them up because I'm not happy with the outcome. I can't just keep doing that because I don't want to disappoint anybody by making a mess, you know, of things. I think it's because I'm a bit stressed out about what I've got to do and that in the next week, and I'm sort of, you know, I want it to go right because my daughter, I don't want her to be upset by anything going wrong, or, you know, this is going to be about her, not me. I need to go down there and to Bathurst and sit there quietly and not concern anybody, just me, you know, and my husband will be with me and he can help me with things, and, you know, but anyway, I'm not used to going anywhere and sitting for a long, well, I sit here for a long time, but I've got at least something comfortable to sit on in my chair. But if I go down there, I'm going to have to sit on that thing, I think, I don't know, that the pushy welly thing, which is not going to be very comfortable, I don't think. I really appreciate my neighbour's going to lend it to me. I just feel like I don't know if I'm going to be able to handle it. Will I go down there further? I think I will. Okay. These things, I know they're sent to try us, aren't they? Orange, green. Now I'm getting myself into a state. Yeah, that's ridiculous, isn't it? Orange, green. Sonya, settle down. Settle down, Sonya. My daughter hasn't got time to help me with this because she's actually moving into a house this weekend, a new house. And I don't want to hassle her with my problems, you know. Okay, so there's that. Righto, now I'm going to put this up through here. Oh my goodness me. I'm going to turn this off again. Thank you. I'll be back in a minute.